Hello guys, welcome to Tech Solution. Today I show you Windows 11 24H2 installed on unsupported hardware. This Wi-Fi generation is 3470S and Windows is Windows 10 Pro 22H2. I have to install Windows 11 24H2. It is an unsupported hardware. Okay, how I install this I will show you. Also, you see that you go to download. Rufus 4.6 is a 64-bit Rufus and also Rufus 4.6p. It is a portable. I have to download this one. Now it is start download. To download Windows 11 Microsoft site and go to download Windows 11 this image ISO. Select download, then Windows 11 multi edition ISO and go to download. Now it is asking choose one. I have to choose English United States. Then confirm. Now download 64-bit download. I click on download. Now it is downloading. After downloading, I will see you how to make a bootable device for Windows 11 24H2 by Rufus. x64.iso file is downloaded. I go to Rufus software. Okay, then click on Rufus and yes. Now this ESD USB E drive, which is already I plugged in USB drive. Now I have to select Win11 24H2 English x64. It is a ISO or image file. Now I select and go to partition on MBR and target system BIOS for UEFI CSN and installation standard Windows installation and file system also NTF. So Windows installation, customize Windows installation, remove requirement for 4GB plus RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0. Remove requirement for an online Microsoft account, create a local account with username, maybe computer, maybe tax solution, maybe as you desire your name. Set regional option for set value of the users. Disable data collection. Skip privacy question. Disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. Then I press OK. Then it will format the USB drive. Then press OK. Now USB bootable device create. Now I have to install Windows 11 on this PC. So first of all I go to this PC, then see this is the system I have created by Rufus software. Now go to setup. See, install Windows 11. Then go to next. Checking for updates. Not a simple process. It is a critical process. Now we are getting a few things ready. See, Windows 11 setup. Now I accept. Then making sure you are ready to install. Now we are getting a few things ready. See, Windows 11 setup. Now I accept. then making sure you are ready to install. Now checking for now update is complete. What needs your attention? This PC does not meet the minimum system requirement for running Windows 11. This requirement helps ensure a more reliable and higher quality experience, and I have to accept it. Now ready to install Windows 11 Pro and keeps personal files and apps. Then go to install. Now it is installing Windows 11 and this PC restarts several times. After restarting several times, Windows 11 24H2 installed. I will see you. This is the process how I install Windows 11 24H2 on unsupported hardware like this PC. Now Windows 11 24H2 on unsupported hardware is installed. Now I have to see this is Windows 11 and see this is Intel Core i5 3470H CPU 7.90 and Windows 11 Pro 24H2. It is already been installed. In this way, you can also install your unsupported hardware, that means PC, laptop and other devices with this help of Rufus 4.6 portable USB